Hello, students. I want you to get your book and open to page number 6 and 7. We will read these questions and their answers. And after that, I will explain to you later on. And, and I want you to answer these questions. And I would like to inform you that after you answer those questions, I want you to send your answer, and don't forget to write your name, your section, and your student number, and send it to my line. Let us begin. What is a storm? A storm is a mix of heavy rain, wind, lightning, and thunder. So let me explain to you. Storm is a violent disturbance of the atmosphere with heavy rain, wind, lightning, and thunder. Let me show you some of the pictures. This is what we call, or this is the example of heavy rain, lightning, wind, and thunder. Thunder. Next questions. Why do storms happen? Storms happen when the air is warm and has a lot of water in it, and it gets pushed up by wind. So if there is a high temperature and there's a moisture, it gets uh, pushed up by the wind. It blows. The wind blows up. Ah. And next question is, what is lightning? When a storm cloud is high in the sky, the raindrops freeze and become ice. When a storm cloud is high in the sky, the raindrops freeze and becomes ice. What do you mean by this? So when the storm is over in the sky, the raindrops, the puntuk, uh, the liquid freeze and become ice. It means the liquid becomes solid or turn into uh, ice. All these tiny pieces of ice crash into each other, making electricity. It means the small particles of ice, they crush each other and making electricity, and the result is we see this lightning. So that is how the lightning uh, becomes. What is thunder? Thunder is the sound of lightning traveling to the ground. We hear thunder a few seconds after we see lightning because light travels faster than sound. So thunder is the sound of lightning traveling to the ground. So um, when you see a lightning striking, after that you will hear the loud rumbling or crashing noise. And that is what we call thunder. So we hear thunder a few seconds after we see lightning. Yeah, we hear um, because um, lights faster than the sound. So you can see the light first, and then you will hear a few seconds, maybe 10 to 10 seconds, you will hear a thunder. That is what we call uh, loud rumbling or crashing noise. That is thunder. So when do storms happen? Storms are more common in the summer because the air is warm. They also usually happen in the afternoon or evening. So summer, you can see these storms in the summer because that season is uh, warmest. That is summer means the warmest season of the year. So it means the temperature is so high, and it usually happen also in the afternoon or evening. So let's go to the uh, understanding A. Choose words from the reading to complete the sentence. So you can choose words here to answer these gaps. So let me read the question number one. During a storm, we see lightning and hear. So during a storm, you can see lightning. Lightning is a natural electrical discharge, and you will hear what after lightning. So the answer is there in the passage. Next, storms happen when warm, wet air is pushed upwards by. So if the temperature is so high and wet air, so who will push up by? Who will blow up by what? So what are the other term of air? So the answer there, if you know the other term of air. Next, when it gets cold, raindrops in the storm cloud turn to what? If it's cold, raindrops freeze, turn into the liquid turn into solid. So what is that? What do you call it? So three letters. So you can answer this gap. Thunder comes 5 to 10 after lightning. So thunder, how many after lightning? You will hear the thunder. So how many? Okay, I think you have an idea that about that. So next, blank is the most common season to see storms. So what season is that? So season or what kind of season? It is the warmest season of the year. So you can write your answer this. And next, cover the text. Um, answer the questions. So I want you to answer these questions by reading the text here. And that is all for today. Bye bye and thank you.